I'm Azril from Schneider Electric Singapore Field Services. It's about close to midnight right now, so this is our normal working hours. Hi Mr. Lim, I conduct my physical inspection on your equipment. So there are certain things that I need to point out to you. As you can see for this one, the bolt inside, there's some burn marks. This one is okay, but for this one it's quite bad. Okay. So what you have here is an aging equipment and it's going to be obsolete soon. What I would suggest is to replace the entire equipment itself.
Okay, that's very bad, and I think it would be very costly, but I cannot afford very long downtime. So what do you suggest?
Okay, we have these so-called EcoFit solutions where it's a one-to-one replacement of aging equipment to new equipment. What I suggest is I would like to invite you over to Schneider Electric Singapore office where we can show you a live demo on how we do the EcoFit solutions in our showroom.